All right, so let me ask you a quick question. When was the last time you and your buddies got together and actually talked about stuff on a deeper level? My guess is it's probably been a very long time, if ever. Most guys over 40 are walking around carrying the exact same concerns, but nobody ever talks about it, right? And this is the kind of stuff that keeps you up at 2 a.m. when you're laying in bed staring at the ceiling. So let's invest a couple of minutes here and talk about it. Starting with losing energy. Why do you always wake up tired? Why do you always hit that afternoon wall? And you also start to notice that work drains you a lot faster, and you'd probably just rather sit on the couch all day than go out and actually do something. And then you ask yourself, is this just how it is now? Is this just part of getting older? And the honest answer is partly yes, right? Aging happens, but also partly no, because your lifestyle choices are probably catching up to you. Another one that we don't talk about is career and financial anxiety. Now, this is a big one that guys hardly ever talk about because a lot of guys in their 40s and 50s freak out that they should be further ahead by now. So maybe your job plateaued and there's no room to move up. Maybe your retirement savings isn't where you want it to be, or maybe job security feels a little bit insecure. And then you've got all the younger guys coming into work with new skills and a lot more energy. The thing is, you're not stuck, but midlife can also be a pivot point. A ton of very successful people didn't peak until later in life because they finally used their experience and competence to change direction. Another big one is dating and relationships. This one hits especially hard for divorced and single men. Dating today, obviously, is a lot different, right? Apps have pretty much changed everything, and a lot of guys worry whether or not they still have it. Now, some guys might experience a bit of rejection when they first get out there, and that takes a pretty big hit to their confidence. So then they just withdraw completely. But as I have said many, many times, a confident, healthy, well-presented man over 40 has huge advantages, especially if you take care of yourself. Being fit and well-dressed at this age is a flex and a superpower. Another confidence hit that it seems like guys never really want to talk about is changes in bedroom performance. Let's be adults here. As men age, things don't always work exactly the way that they used to, right? Things like stress, hormones, and weight gain all play a part in this. And because we as men tie so much of our identity to performance, we feel embarrassed talking about it. So instead of dealing with performance anxiety, guys avoid situations like intimacy, which kills their confidence and also makes their partner feel less connected. And that leads me to something really important. I want you to meet today's sponsor, Rouette Ready. This is a prescription option designed differently. Rouette Ready is a prescription treatment that works in as little as 15 minutes and can stay active for up to 36 hours. This is a 3-in-1 formula that combines the 2 active ingredients in the most popular ED medications, but it also includes a 3rd ingredient, apomorphine, that helps prime your brain for arousal. And that can be a big deal for a lot of guys. Another cool thing, this is a sublingual. It's a dissolvable tablet that helps get into your bloodstream a lot faster so it can start working faster so you're not sitting there waiting around for a pill to start working. So look, if you have tried other options and want something different, Rouette Ready might be your option worth exploring. Getting started is simple. Rouette connects you with a board-certified doctor 100% online. And if prescribed, your treatment ships right to your door in discreet packaging. Connect with a provider at Rouette.com to see if a Rouette Ready prescription is right for you. That's Rouette.com and use promo code FASHION to get 15% off right now. Learn more and connect with the provider at the link down below in the description. And don't forget to use code FASHION for 15% off your first order. Okay, another big one is living with embarrassment and letting it run your life. Men avoid going to the gym because they're out of shape. They avoid dating because their confidence took a big hit in their divorce. They avoid doctor visits because they don't want any bad news. And they avoid fixing problems because now they have to admit that there is one. Doing nothing because something feels uncomfortable will only guarantee that it gets worse. Something else that a lot of guys don't want to talk about is their weight gain and their decline in fitness. A lot of guys get to a point in life eventually where they look in the mirror and don't recognize the guy looking back at them. Like, where the heck did that big gut come from? So now you avoid getting your picture taken and you start worrying about finding clothes that fit you and actually look good. And I just talked about this the other day, but here's where today's culture sends a very confusing message. On the one hand, the body positivity people tell you to accept yourself, but also understand that acceptance doesn't mean giving up on your health. Carrying extra weight doesn't just affect how you look. It affects your energy, your hormones, your confidence, but more importantly, your health. Another big one that guys worry about and don't talk about is looking old. You're developing wrinkles now. You've got gray hair and probably thinning hair. You also walk around and you notice guys a lot younger than you are now the new normal. But a lot of guys now would make the mistake of trying to act young and dress young. And this usually always backfires. Other guys might go the opposite direction and stop trying altogether. The better move, in my opinion, is adjusting your style to look like a confident and competent version of your age. Not younger, just better. Because like I mentioned before, man, looking put together at 45 or 55 is a huge flex, and it makes you stand out from all the other guys your age in a positive way. The next thing that guys start worrying about, but don't talk about that much, is health problems that can be pretty scary. People your age that you know start having heart issues and surgeries, and you start worrying that you might be next. Every doctor visit gets more serious. Things you never thought about before, like blood pressure, cholesterol, and sleep apnea, now all of a sudden matter. And then you suddenly realize that you're not invincible anymore, right? And this realization can either scare you into doing nothing or motivate you to take better care of yourself. You decide. Here's another one that almost nobody likes to talk about, and it's feeling lonely and isolated. At some point, right around 40, friendships start to fade away. It's not because people don't like each other anymore. It's just that life pulls people in different directions, right? People move away and get busy with family. You also have friends and social circles that change after a divorce or a breakup. And then before you know it, right, the guys that you used to see every weekend, you now only text a couple times a year. And the thing is, right, that men aren't really that great at building friendships. We just tend to assume that friendships just happen naturally like they did when we were younger. But without some of those connections, it's pretty easy to fall into isolation, which also affects your mental health. I've talked about this a few times in other videos, and even last week I talked about it, where I have a group of friends that I meet with on a weekly basis, and we've been meeting every single week for years. It's just one of those priorities, like scheduling a work meeting. We just do it. We make the time and we prioritize the time. Sometimes we get together and just sort of keep things very surface level and just talk about what's been going on or what we've got coming up. But other times, shit gets pretty deep. Everybody has stuff that they're going through, and having a safe, trustworthy arena to get things off your chest is pretty valuable. I want to encourage you to add your thoughts down below in the comments. And if you made it this far, you are one of the true legends. So please hit the like button to let me know you made it. Thank you for watching. Live well, and I hope to see you in the next one.